Hello and welcome to NewsX Auto. My name is Shiraz, and in this video, as you would have guessed by the title, I will show you the cruising speed, the RPM at cruising speeds, okay, from 80 kilometers per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, and you will of course get a good idea about the NVH levels of the Skoda Kodiaq. So, and of course, if I encounter a lot of traffic right now, it's what, almost 1:45. It's 12:50 right now, and this is the traffic on the Greater Noida Expressway. So I'll try to get past this traffic and see if I can maintain a steady 100. So let me show you what 80 is. So 80 kilometers per hour, top gear of course, 7th gear, is somewhere around 1350 RPM. Alright, so yeah, and while at it, let me also tell you the least speed at which you can engage 7th gear, or you can say that with a light foot on the throttle it will automatically upshift to 7th gear. What is that speed? It is 72 kilometers per hour. So if your question is at what cruising at what speed will give you the best fuel efficiency, that would be 72 kilometers per hour. And it does somewhere around 1250 RPM at 72 kilometers per hour. At 80 it is somewhere around 1300 or 1350 RPM. Now let's quickly see if we can maintain a steady 100, then I can show you what it does. At the ref counter. Alright, so 90 is close to, dude, what are you doing? 90 is close to somewhere 1400 RPM. Yeah, or it could be 1500 RPM, slightly less than 1500 RPM. No, it's not 1500. So I have to keep one eye on the road as well. Yeah, somewhere around it's between 14, okay, it's around 1400 to 1450 RPM, and I think I can now maintain 100. 100 is somewhere around 1600 RPM. Thank you so much. So that's 1500 RPM. 100 is not 1600 RPM, it's somewhere around 1700 or 1750. So that's beautifully relaxed. What 110 is? 110 is what? Somewhere around 1800 RPM. Okay. Dude. Yeah. So the crux is, this is as expected a beautiful, beautifully relaxed cruiser. Even at 110, 100 is absolutely a breeze. 110 again, an absolute breeze as well. I reckon you can maintain a steady 130, 140 easily. But then I would suggest that since we have on maximum, on the majority of expressways we have the speed limit of 100, so stick to the speed limit. I think on one or two highways or expressways we do have a speed limit of 120. There you can maintain a steady 120. But then if you really have to maintain 130, 140, I reckon this would be able to do that quite easily as well, without any signs of sounding stressed whatsoever. What I'll do, I'll just try to touch at least 120 and maintain it for 3-4 seconds and see what the RPM is. And I can't stomp down the pedal because it would downshift, so I'll have to do this very gradually. That's 120, 7th gear, 2000 RPM, 2000 RPM. That is beautiful. 2000 RPM, and it is smooth as silk. So yes, like I said, that 120 is again an absolutely smooth affair. And I'm sure even 130 and 140 would be. So yeah, guys, I hope this gives you a good idea about the cruising ability of the Skoda Kodiaq. So, if you'll be buying this vehicle, you'll be buying it not only just for city runs, you would be undertaking a lot of long journeys, and I reckon you would be absolutely comfortable even on journeys that might span 1000 kilometers a day. So yeah, if you have to go to Lucknow via Yamuna Expressway, Lucknow Expressway, from Delhi, Noida, you can do it in this car, and after a 500 kilometer trip, you would emerge out of this car as fresh as a daisy. So yeah, guys, I hope you like the video. Do hit that like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, do leave a comment even if you do not have a question, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.